there? So you're thinking of buying a home and you don't know where to start? I'm Ginger Walker with Give Back Team of Coldwell Banker Elite. And purchasing a home is most likely going to be one of the largest investments of your life. So you need an experienced professional agent to walk you through each phase to ensure your best interests are protected. I've been in the industry for over 18 years, and I've assisted hundreds of buyers over those years. So here's how we're going to help you make it through your first purchase. First, we're going to make sure that you're qualified to purchase the home. You're going to want to know things like the types of loans that you're qualified for and what the full payment will be, including the principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. Once we know you're pre-qualified, we get to do the fun thing. We get to go shopping for your new house and make sure you're fully aware of those things that are most important to you. For example, the neighborhoods, the amenities, the location of schools, your commuting options, and anything that could possibly be problematic with the area or home that could possibly affect the value later on. Then we're going to help you negotiate the offer in a way that's beneficial to you, but also attractive to the seller. And once it's accepted, escrow will be opened and your earnest money deposit will start going into escrow. And we're going to start the process of ordering inspections, and the lender's going to order your appraisal. We're diligent about making sure we don't miss any contractual deadlines so that we can keep that earnest money deposit safe and you won't be at risk of losing it. It's super important after the inspections to know what is customary or not to ask the seller to do. We will be in constant communication with all parties of the transaction to ensure that your best interests are covered and that we can close and close on time. There are so many more parts to the transaction. I could actually be here for a few hours telling you about it. But better yet, give me a call and I will become your trusted advisor. I'll walk you through step by step and ensure that you are making the right decision all the way through until we give you the keys to your new home and even becoming lifelong friends. I can guarantee you it will cost you time and money if you don't have a proper representation from an experienced real estate professional who's on your team. So give me a call and let's see how I can help you get into your new home. I'm Ginger Walker with Give Back Team of Coldwell Banker Elite, your trusted professional advisor.